Ever walk outside, see the sun, and suddenly sneeze? Yeah, that's a real thing. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and about 1 in 3 people have it. Your brain gets wires crossed between your optic nerve and sneeze reflex. So when bright light hits your eyes, your brain's like, ah yes, it's clearly sneeze time. It's harmless, but annoying when you're trying to look cool in the sun. And suddenly, you're mid-sneeze attack. So next time you sneeze at the sky, just know, your brain is doing extra for no reason. Follow for more weird stuff your body does without asking you first.